That is slimy. Oh man. I'm finally on the board. Crazy. Your donut good? All right, so we were going to Randy's house, but he's not home yet because he actually stepped out to check the lakes that we're going to be visiting tomorrow. Here in central Alberta, we haven't had a good freeze. So he just wants to make sure that the ice thickness is good enough for at least for us to walk on. Unfortunately, people here in central Alberta are driving on with their quads side by sides and falling in. And so Naisha and I are stopping here quickly at Cabela's. You need to go poop? That's what you're singing? Yeah? Come on, let's go. Ready? Let's go. You said you have to go poop? Yeah. Jaw takes $100 again? Oh my gosh. So Naisha and I did a little bit of walking around, did some shopping, kind of checked this and that out, and then we ended up walking out with this bucket and swivel seat. I've been needing a chair, so I bought this thing so that way I could store stuff in it and I could swivel around and look forward over the hole. On top of that, it also makes a good porta potty.
Love you. I don't see the Revalos name is Francis. Revalos.
And for those of you guys wondering, I'm not just leaving Naisha in bed here alone by herself. Sia is actually gonna be taking care of her today. And yeah, we're on the lake now, and hopefully soon we'll be on some fish. Yeah, I'm excited. This will be my second of the season, and yeah, hopefully we catch something. I'm hopeful. Alright, we got some maggots on. We are fishing. The ice is cracking, and yeah, great day to be in the ice. Fishing's a little bit slow, so we're gonna drill some holes and check some depths and see what we can find. Whoa! Oh my goodness.
Yeah, straight up the bottom.
Oh, he's bit.
Nah. Hold on. Hang on. That's a decent sized fish.
Pissing on me? Yep. Smile.
That's pretty decent, chunky, thick back fish, man.
That is slimy. Oh man. I'm finally on the board. Crazy.
Finally not skunked. I showed Naisha your fish and she said, wow.
I I mentioned earlier that Tita Sia or Auntie Sia is taking care of Naisha, and Naisha is having a blast. One of Randy's buddies is coming out to fish with us, so we're kind of cleaning up and making room, but we realize it's almost warmer outside than it is inside.
Cool.
Yeah? Nice! No! Pike?
Yeah.
What do you got on? Minnow?
No, not a
Oh.
thing.
Boom.
Not a thing. He's a good sized one.
Well, we're tired. That's all she wrote. Catch you guys on the next one. If you guys like that video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you like content just like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell icon for more notifications from the Revalos. Thank you guys for watching.